if I took this pencil and made a lot of lines, like so. Nothing much, just a lot of lines. But if I took this pencil and made some lines and connected them like so, now it's starting to look like something, like a small house.
Hi, I'm Andy.
Hey, I'm Beth.
And we're going to teach you how to plot furniture in 1-point and 2-point perspective.
We have a 2-foot by 5-foot piece of furniture that we're going to plot in our 8-foot tall room, and this is in 1-point perspective. And we want the furniture to be 2 feet away from the back wall and 3 feet away from this right wall. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to trot forward 2, 2, 2, 2, and then we're going to trot from this right wall 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be one corner of our furniture. The next corner, we know that our piece of furniture is 2 feet wide, and so we just simply trot over 2, doot, doot, and then we have our second dot. Now this piece of furniture is going to be 5 feet long, and so we want to come forward 5 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We make our third dot. And then we can easily find the last corner at the intersection of where our lines are going to be, so it's going to be right there. Doot. Now we can use a ruler or a triangle, whatever is easiest, and we can connect the bottom of our furniture. And what makes this really easy are Don Gerd's grids. Shout out to Don Gerds, he's pretty awesome. So you don't have to draw your grid every time, you can simply just place it underneath your trash paper. Alright, now we have the bottom of our furniture, or the box for our furniture. And it is, right now it's flat and we need to make it 3-dimensional. So what we do is verticals are always vertical. And so we're going to pull up our furniture and it is going to be 2 feet high. So we find our height from our back wall, which can be found on the measuring line, which is this dark blue line right here. So we go up 1 square, 2 square, and then from the vanishing point, we trot back to the wall, and we go up 2, and then from our vanishing point, we find the top of our furniture. Okay, so this is the top right here for that line. So you just connect it then. And this is always vertical. There. Yay! Now that you've used the back wall and your measuring line to find your height, and you found the correct top of the line, you pull it out from the vanishing point, and now you've created your furniture, and it's in perspective. And now within this box, you can draw your sofa, like so. And you're able to show your width and depth and everything you need. Ta-da! Yay! Don Gerd! Go Don Gerd! Don Gerd! Perspective! Oh! Yeah, Dawn! Go Dawn! Go Dawn! Oh!
Okay, now we're going to do the 2-point perspective, and we are going to plot a piece of furniture that is 3.5 feet by 3 feet. So, first we're going to find the corners. One of the corners is at the 6-foot mark and the 1.5-foot mark, it looks like. So we're going to come this way and count over 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to come down 1.5. So 1.5. Right there. Okay. Then coming back down this way, we know it's 3 feet, so we're going to count down 3, but we're going to go with the little half areas. So 1, 2, 3. Hello? Okay, now we know coming this way is 3.5 feet. So we're going to count over 3 and then a half. So 1, 2, 3, and a half is going to be right smack dab in the middle. Lovely. Okay, and now we know we can come back down 3 feet. So 1, 2, 3, and that's going to be right in the middle again. So now we have our corners plotted, and we're going to connect it so it'll be like the little footprint of our furniture. There we go. Beautiful. So now we know that verticals are always vertical, so I'm just going to go ahead, if I can get this to stay still, and do some vertical lines up. Yay. Okay. Now we know that this box is 1 foot high, so maybe it's an ottoman or something, or a short little table, who knows. Okay, so we're going to trot back over this way to our measuring line wall. Okay, and we're going to come up 1 foot right to here. Now we're going to use our vanishing point, which is somewhere way out in no man's land. Little doohickey to just trot right back on over to our line. Now when you're doing this, you have to remember which line you trotted from, because that's the only one that's going to work with. So you know the height's right there. Now we're going to do the same thing with this line back here. So we're going to trot. Okay, and then we're going to go up to a foot right here. And with our vanishing point, we're going to come back and trot back over. Yay for trotting. And we're right there. Now, we can use our vanishing point, which is back way over here, like we said earlier, to, can we do that? To connect over to the other side. So we're going to just draw a pretty little line right here. And another pretty little line over here. And then we can connect those 2 lines to finish our ottoman / awkward table thing. Yay! So now you have furniture in 2, 3.
But if I took this pencil and made